Okay guys, let's fix this TPM 2.0 error in the Valorant. So first you need to go to start menu like this, go to setting, go to system section, scroll down and come to the recovery option like this. Tap on restart now in the advanced startup mode. After restarting, you have to select the troubleshoot option in the menu, then after choose advanced option and UEFI firmware setting. Finally restart to enter BIOS option. In the BIOS section, look for the tab like Advanced Security or Trusted Computing. Find the TPM option in these tabs, so which may be labeled as TPM, Security Device Support, TPM State, Intel PTT, or AMD fTPM like this. So you need to enable TPM 2.0. Often it is default set as auto or enabled. So you have to set it as enabled. Once you are done with that, you have to save changes and reboot your computer. So once you are turned on your computer, you have to verify TPM 2.0 is enabled. To do that, go to search bar, type run like this, tap on it. In here you need to type tpm.msc and tap on OK. If you successfully enable TPM 2.0, you will be able to find the TPM specification version is right here. So in my case it is not enabled, so that's why this error is happened. To enable a secure boot, first you need to enter the BIOS as I initially showed method. Go to setting and then after recovery and restart computer. Once it is restart, you have to go to boot or security tab. Then after find the secure boot option and set it as to enable. If you find the secure boot option is a little bit gray color, so that means this CSM is disabled. So first you need to enable the CSM, then after you will be able to find secure boot is enabled. Once it is done, you have to set the boot mode to UEFI. To check your boot mode, go to search bar, search for system information, tap on it. In here you can see BIOS mode UEFI. If you see it is a legacy BIOS option, you have to reinstall the whole Windows to create UEFI drive, because it needs to reinstall the Windows using UEFI. So once you're done with all the things, you have to save the changes and you can restart your computer. To check secure boot is enabled, you need to go to search bar, type run as previously told you, just tap on it. Now you need to type msinfo32 like this, then after tap on OK. So in the secure boot state, it should be turned on. If that now it is turned off, you have to turn it on in the BIOS section. So these are the methods you can try to fix that issue. And if you can't find TPM option in there, so you have to, if your motherboard is not supported TPM version, you have to either buy a new supported motherboard, or you have to upgrade to your BIOS setting. Otherwise you have to revert your Windows 11 into Windows 10, because if you run in Valorant on the Windows 11 computer, you should be at least TPM 2.0. So these are the alternative methods you can try to fix that issue. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.